Hi guys, welcome to a new episode with me, Shalom, to this kanapata business, and today I'm going to try out something I've actually never done. So if you see the outcome and you don't really like it, please do not judge. We try and fail, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, do the do. So today we are actually going to try and install this struggle hair onto my head, and this is just like normal braiding hair. So we're just going to try and pimp up all this natural hair and be on click. So the main things that you need are hair. I used pamoja braids and this. I'm doing what YouTubers do. So yeah, we need this and then a couple of these hair, what are they called? Yeah, whatever these are, hair ties, and yeah, a comb, to straighten all this, and mine, and a toothbrush to, make my edges pop. And someone is actually going to help me do that. So let's get into it. Yay to Simran!
Hi.
So I suck at the baby hair thing. I've failed to do it like totally.
Same.
So it's like 2 wrongs to make it right.
Here we go, let's get it. Okay. So we're gonna start by putting this
A whole lot.
gooey stuff. I think, no, you're not supposed to put a lot. Are
Okay.
you?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know? Okay. Alright, okay.
Styling gel. Do you know why they do that? Because it will help with the focus.
I think it goes some in my mouth. So this is probably not good for ingestion.
I guess y'all are wondering why we have so many puff holders. I'd forgotten what they were called in the start. But yeah, there's so many, and there's already, I think, 2 on my head. So one of the reasons we need this is, I don't think I'm going to use all of them, but one of them is to hold this hair, because when you remove this hair from the pack, from its pack, it comes with rubber bands, and I don't want to use these, and it's not black, and it will probably tear or something like that. So you take your puff holder and hold the hair in half, and then put it like this, yeah, and then oops, put it like that, and then just pull the other end and tighten it, so it's like that. And this is what we are going to put on my hair. So I'll just wear it, and The rest will be history. So you just hook it on, like you wear it, and that. So it's better you take it to the front. And then you get a part from it, and then you just take it round. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. And you can use your other puff holder to give it a grip. It's not for me to say. As you can see, your princess has long hair now. This is called struggle hair, but it looks good. So you guys have seen, I forgot to mention the fact that you might actually need bobby pins to have like a stronger grip if you don't trust your puff holders. Me, I have like a zillion of them, so I can just keep adding them so that it doesn't fall off. So yay! This is our hair, and this is what it looks like. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say. So guys, we've come to the end of this journey as usual. Excuse me. But I just want to say shout out to my best friend because I'm wearing her top that she'll probably never get back. And just don't forget to subscribe, comment, tell me what videos you want next, like, share with your friends, and yeah, let's make this happen. It's not for me to say.